Don't be a doormat. Plus, embrace yourself and your self worth in a way that it makes them crave you rather than you crave them. How? And who is not paying attention to you from a few days, you have been texting him, he doesn't reply, you have been asking him to take you out. Red flag. You should never ask. But if you have asked because you did not know that you don't have to ask, but if you have and he doesn't take you out, and then you are like upset, but like passively upset, wherein you are not going to him and talking to him directly about the problem, and he is also taking it lightly like men do. All the men have this amazing magical gift of ignoring everything that exists around them, including the people, including the kid, including their spouse or their girlfriends. Because उनका जब भी क्या होता है ना, overwhelming कुछ भी होता है, they go into the shell. Okay, and they cover themselves up. जैसे वो have you heard of this crab? Crab goes in the sand and covers itself with sand so that it doesn't have to focus on what is going around him or it. It as in the crab, him as in the male. It could be husband, it could be your boyfriend, it could be anyone. So जब ये शेल में चले गए तो उसके बाद उनको कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता और शेल में जाने का क्या रीज़न होता है, कोई स्टूपिड सा रीज़न हो सकता है कि इनको एहसास हो गया कि आप इनसे अपसेट है, इसके बाद इनको किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. दिस इज़ लाइक मोर देन इनफ फॉर देम कि यू आर अपसेट. अब मुझे तो हैंडल करना पड़ जाएगा, अब मुझे तो इसको मनाना पड़ जाएगा, मुझे तो शॉपिंग करवानी पड़ जाएगी, मुझे तो इसको बाहर लेके जाना पड़ेगा. समटाइम्स इट इज़ नॉट अबाउट मनी, इट इज़ अबाउट द एफर्ट. बिकॉज the amount of money that men put into you is equal to the value they have for you. It doesn't mean that only money can calculate your value in his life, but it also means that energy and the effort that he wants to put into you. मतलब कि अगर वो पैसे ही नहीं आप पे खर्चना चाहे